What if I told you there is a broken trick in Battlefield 2042 that lets you level up your battle pass while you sleep, go to work or do anything else? A trick that needs zero skill, zero effort and not even a single click after you will join the game. It sounds too crazy to be real, but it exists. Today I'm showing you the hidden secret of AFK XP farming servers, a very controversial part of Battlefield Portal that has split the community. I'm not only going to explain what are they, I will also give you the full step-by-step guide on how to find these servers and show how they make your soldier into a passive XP machine. You will see how players are getting non-stop XP without even playing. This is the world of easy automated progression. So what is this world of XP farming? Inside the server browser of Battlefield Portal, a mod made for custom games, a new type of server has taken over. They usually have clear names like AFK XP Grind, XP Farm or something close, and they all promise the same thing: fast battle pass progress with no effort. These are not normal Battlefield matches. There are no big fights, no flanking, no teamwork. Instead, you find lobbies full of players just standing still with their characters being teleported across the map, capturing flags in endless loop. It looks strange and quiet, but it gives XP. Server owners use Portal's logic editor to make the game play itself. These servers become very popular, especially for people who want to finish the seasonal battle pass to unlock cosmetics. The server browser is often full of them, which makes it harder for players who want to host normal custom games. The community is split. Some people see this as an easy way to skip boring grinding. Others say it's an exploit that ruins Portal and fills all the servers. But it is easy to see why people use them. The normal battle pass grind is slow and takes a lot of time. Weekly missions and XP from regular matches needs hours of play. This AFK Farms gives a shortcut, a set it and forget it solution. That's why the Battlefield 2042's most talked about secret. Now the part you want. I will show you step by step how to get into one of these servers. It's very simple. First, from the main menu, go into Portal mode. This is where you can find access to custom servers. Once there, skip the featured mods and open the server browser. Next, use the search bar. This is the trick. Type simple words like AFK, XP or Grind. You will see a list of servers called things like XP, AFK Grind, of AFK Farm. Some even have version numbers like version 1.3 or version 1.4, which just means the owner updates their script. Here's an important tip: check the players count. Many of these servers look full, like 48 versus 48 or 120 versus 120. Sometimes they are, but often the numbers are bugged. You may need to try a few servers before you get in. If you see an error, just try the next one. Once you're inside, you don't need to do anything. Don't touch your own mouse and controllers. The server usually spawns you automatically and your character will start teleporting around the map. Here is what's going on. The server spawns everyone on an objective flag. The flag is captured for your team. Then the script teleports you to the next flag and the process repeats. It's an endless cycle of capturing objectives and getting XP. Even if you will die, the server respawns you and puts you back into the loop. Since your character is always moving, the game's AFK system usually does not kick you. When the match ends, the next one begins and the cycle goes on. You can leave your PC or console running overnight and wake up with the progress on your battle pass. It's a true hands-off method. This all sounds amazing, right? Infinite XP with no effort. But there are some problems. How much XP you will get and if it's safe are the big questions. Let's talk in numbers. Some people say you can get thousands of XP very fast, but that's not true anymore. DICE reduce the reward, so most Portal servers only allow restricted or moderate XP. That usually means about 300 XP per minute. So in 1 hour you can get around 18,000 of XP. For comparison, in a good breakthrough match where you play a support role like Falk, healing and reviving, you can easily get 25 or 30,000 of XP or more. So the AFK method is not the fastest. The advantage is that it needs no effort. Now about bans. This is a gray area. You are not using cheats or hacks. You are just joining a server created with the game's own tools. Many people say it's not illegal, just cheesy. But DICE has noticed these XP farms before and even disabled XP in Portal for some time. Player bans are rare, but the risk is is never zero. Dice could reduce XP even more or take other action, so yes, there is always some risk. There are other issues too. Many players think that the servers ruined Portal by filling all the slots. Some also say their game crashed or bugged after using them. So while you gain XP, you may also be a part of the bigger problem. If this guide helped you to understand the world of Battlefield 2042's XP farm, please hit the like button, it really helps the channel. And if you want more Battlefield guides and deep dives, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss anything. AFK XP farming is one of the strangest and most debated parts of the Battlefield 2042. It's a player-made solution to the long green, created fully with the Portal tools. It's not the fastest XP method. Active players in mods like Breakthrough will always get more. Playing as a support, completing weekly missions and helping your team will give you better results. But the AFK method is about something else. Free progress. It's a trade. You will get battle pass levels without effort, but you join something many people can and exploit. It fills servers and lives in a gray zone of the rules. So the choice is yours. Will you join the AFK farmers or fight on the front lines? Tell me in the comments. Thank you for watching and see you on the battlefield.